If you sell custom name necklaces, I think you'll love this. This web app converts text inputs into laser ready SVG files. It converts them to laser ready pendant designs, that you can, go ahead, you can add straight to your production workflow. So let's let's quickly see. Basically, I think you just put the text you want, right, and then it does the kerning. It adds the hooks, and you can add your own custom font. So the app is preloaded with the Pacifico font, but you could add your own custom font. Right, just click on it. I have a few fonts here, right? Then it changes that custom font. So it takes the TTF or OTF font files, right? And let's look at a few more examples. Alright, I guess you get it by now. Just add, you can add as many custom fonts as you need, and it would update the pendant design. Right, you can switch okay, switch between fonts, and so on and so forth, and basically once and you can adjust the pendant height. So right now the default is set to 15. This is a size guide, so if you want it smaller, right, then once you download it, you can download the SVG, and depending on your production workflow, probably personally we use Lightburn for our own default production, but with this you don't have to go through all of this. Whatever software you use, you just add this, and you can take it straight to your laser machine. In our case, we use Lightburn, but whatever you use, you see that it's ready for laser cutting, right? All of the kerning logic, has already been done for you. So you can just go ahead, and you can see the text height is quite accurate. The pendant height is 10 millimeters, like we said. So depending on the size of the pendant you want, and so on and so forth. So if you basically right now the app is free to use. Just follow the link in the description, and have a go at it. But what I really need is just ensure you kind of leave some feedback, some honest feedback, so that I'll know the next step of development. You just click on this link here, it will take you to a Google form, and then just answer the questions here as best as you can. It won't take you more than 2 minutes, but it really means a lot. So please use the app, leave your feedback, and also I need to mention you can adjust some settings here. For instance, if you don't need the advanced settings here, is optional. I try to ensure that the core features, you don't need to tweak anything. You just type download and that's it. But if you need to, you can remove the loops, right? For if you don't need the loops, you can adjust like the size of the hoops. For instance, if you increase this, change this to 7, you see it increases that size. I think this is okay, 5.5, right? You can also thicken it a bit if it's a bit flimsy, a bit weak. I mean, you can thicken it. See, kind of set it, and so these are the major things. In most cases, you don't need this, but if you need to tweak it a little bit, you can adjust that here. But yeah, so this is it. This version 1.0 of of our necklace generator. I'll be developing a series of apps that will automate the process of creating custom jewelry. So if you like to see more content like this, you can subscribe to this channel. I'll be uploading more app ideas in coming days. So yeah, if you enjoyed this, please subscribe. Yeah, what else am I missing? Okay, that's that that is it for now. And yes, you use this app, leave your feedback, and also consider buying me a coffee if you found this app useful. Like I said, everything is free to use now, and personally, we use this for our own production. I also sell custom, name and jewelry. So I created this app because I felt, you know, um, doing this, kerning and all of this for different orders is quite, it takes a lot of time to do it manually. Personally, I use Lightburn. I used to use Lightburn for this, but Lightburn takes, you need to do it, and sometimes customers ask for revisions. Okay, change this, change that, and you need to go and start all over again. So, but with this app, you just use it. If you don't like the font, switch it, right? You can add any font, OTF or TTF, right? So it's just simplifies the whole process. You can add any fancy font you want, and yeah, I have a catalog of fonts here. Some are fancier than others. I think this is the fanciest I have. You can use an OTF file, and so that is it, friends. So try it out. Let me know your questions in the comments, and I read every single comment, and will be happy to respond to any feedback. All right, cheers. That is it for today. Version 1.0 of our name necklace generator. Yeah.